Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves on this Friday, the 16th of July. So I couldn't cap off the week without looking at the indices or looking into what caused a bit of a sell-off last night after the S&P and NASDAQ in particular were going for record highs once again. So markets did return to a bit of a cautious mood last night. There isn't any clear data as to why there was a bit of a sell-off. Even Jerome Powell's second testimony didn't really give any insight into why sentiment started changing, to be honest. So it's difficult to put any particular reason on it other than a return possibly to COVID levels slightly increasing over the last week, especially in European nations. So we'll see how that plays out for the rest of the quarter, let's say, as we get into the middle of July. So looking at S&P first of all today, we finished this cycle wave 4. Now we're moving up into cycle wave 5, which will actually complete super cycle wave 5 of the grand structure of wave 3 as well, the grand cycle. And also moving up into primary wave 3 now as well. So we had this ending diagonal. Now we're moving up in a multi-structural 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be looking to see wave 3 completing roughly about the 161.8 of the Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2. So this is what I'll be looking at. It's pretty much moving as expected at the moment, not really looking at anything other than a multi-structural move to the upside in the intermediate degree at least. And we'll just check on the divergences at the moment. So especially on the RSI, we've got quite a strong divergence at the moment if prices do keep slightly going to the upside. MACD not really so prominent, so I'll just be expecting maybe a little bit more downside. It could be that my intermediate wave 2 has not yet finished and could be finishing down here, and then another move to the upside. So it could be another leg lower than this previous blip here, possibly down to below the 43,000, and then we'll be moving up into wave 3 at least. So just keeping an eye on that for the next few trading sessions as well. And just looking on the NASDAQ briefly, so just put it into a better perspective. So yeah, it looks like the ending diagonal scenario is invalid for now, like we said on the previous occasion, and I'll be looking for this multi-structural move to the upside to keep continuing. So we've got this minute degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're just looking to complete this wave 3. It could be that wave 3 completed here, and then I'll put my wave 4 here, and it hasn't actually finished yet, and we might see another leg lower than the previous one that it dipped to. So we'll see if that happens as well. Again, I'll be looking just to see if it's going to we've passed the 100% of Fibonacci extensions of waves 1 and 2 as well. So now I'm just looking to complete this. We'll move up into this minor wave 3 to complete the 4 and 5 leg in that degree as well. So we'll see how it plays out. Looking on divergences as well, it seems to be going with the market. I'll just get rid of this so it's a bit easy to see. It does look like it's going with the market at the moment, so nothing too much, not many shocks or surprises. It's moving up in a multi-structural degree as we thought it would, and now we're just waiting to see if wave 4 is actually going to have another leg lower, or we're going to see a bump up straight up to wave 5. Obviously it depends how far down this leg goes to see if we get an invalidation or not. So that's pretty much what I'll be looking for the next few trading sessions. Obviously keep an eye on US indices because it's earnings season as well, so it has started off pretty well at the moment, so we could see continued record highs for the indices such as NASDAQ, Dow Jones and the S&P 500. So just keep an eye on that. So I'll leave you there for the ending of the week with the market in waves analysis, and as usual, if you have any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead and a great weekend ahead, and we'll catch you next week. Bye for now.